Ever found yourself juggling payments for your awesome products or fantastic services, wishing there was a simpler way to get paid without the hassle of traditional invoicing? What if I told you that the app you probably already use to split dinner with friends could also be a surprisingly effective tool for sending invoices and receiving payments? Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a slightly unconventional yet incredibly convenient method for invoicing your customers using Venmo. Now, before the traditionalists out there raise their eyebrows, hear me out. While Venmo wasn't originally designed as a dedicated invoicing platform, its widespread adoption, ease of use, and instant payment features make it a compelling option for freelancers, small businesses, and anyone looking for a streamlined way to get paid, especially for smaller transactions or with clients who are already comfortable with the app. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how you can leverage Venmo to send professional-looking invoices and get paid quickly. We'll cover everything from setting up your Venmo profile for business, yes, there's a way, crafting clear and effective payment requests, and even some best practices to ensure smooth transactions and happy clients. So, grab your phone, open up your Venmo app, and let's get started on transforming the way you get paid. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Venmo was initially created for person-to-person, P2P, transactions. However, recognizing the growing need for small businesses and freelancers to accept payments easily, Venmo introduced a business profile feature. This is crucial if you plan on using Venmo for anything beyond casual transactions. Setting up your Venmo business profile. If you haven't already, switching to a business profile is a simple but essential step. Here's how you do it. Open your Venmo app, make sure you have the latest version installed on your phone. Navigate to your profile, tap on your profile picture or the Me icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Access the Settings menu, look for a gear icon or a Settings option, often in the top right corner of your profile page. Switch to a business profile. If applicable within the settings, you should find an option like Create a Business Profile or Switch to Business. Follow the prompts to set up your business profile. You'll likely need to provide some basic information about your business, such as its name and category. Why is a business profile important? Compliance. It helps you stay compliant with Venmo's terms of service, which prohibit using personal accounts for business transactions. Features. Business profiles often come with additional features designed for businesses, such as the ability to add business details and potentially access different fee structures. Professionalism. It presents a more professional image to your clients compared to using a personal account. Once your business profile is set up, you're ready to start sending out payment requests that function as invoices. Crafting effective Venmo payment requests, your invoice. While Venmo doesn't have a dedicated invoice button, you can create detailed and professional-looking payment requests that serve the same purpose. Here's how to do it effectively. Initiate a new payment. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen and select Pay or Request. Find your customer. Search for your customer's Venmo username, phone number, or email address. Make sure you're sending the request to the correct person. Enter the amount. Clearly input the total amount due for your products or services. Double-check this to avoid any errors. The crucial part, the description. This is where you turn a simple payment request into a mini invoice. Be detailed and professional in your description. Include the following information. Invoice number. If applicable, if you use an invoicing system, include the corresponding invoice number for easy tracking on both ends. For example, invoice hashtag 2023-10-27A. Date of service/purchase. Clearly state when the service was provided or the product was purchased. For example, services rendered on October 26, 2023 or purchase of product name on October 27, 2023. Itemized breakdown. If necessary for more complex transactions, briefly list the items or services included and their individual costs. For example, website design phase 1, $500. Logo creation, $200. Total, $700. Payment terms, if applicable, if you have specific payment terms, such as net 15 or due upon receipt, you can include them here. For example, payment due upon receipt. Your business name, clearly identify your business. For example, payment for your business name. A thank you note, optional but recommended. A simple thank you for your business can go a long way in building positive client relationships. Example of a detailed Venmo payment request description. Invoice #INV20231027 for graphic design services rendered on October 25, 2023. Logo design, $300. Business card design, $150. Total due, $450. Payment due upon receipt. Thank you, your business name. Request payment. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, tap the request button. Your customer will receive a notification to pay the requested amount. Best practices for invoicing with Venmo. While Venmo offers convenience, it's essential to follow some best practices to ensure smooth transactions and maintain professionalism. Communicate clearly with your clients. Before sending a Venmo request, let your client know that you'll be using Venmo for invoicing. Confirm their Venmo username or phone number to avoid sending requests to the wrong person. Be detailed in your descriptions. As highlighted earlier, the description is your invoice. The more detail you provide, the clearer it will be for your client, reducing the chances of confusion or disputes. Keep records. Venmo provides a history of your transactions, but it's always a good idea to keep your own records of invoices sent and payments received. You can use a simple spreadsheet or a dedicated invoicing tool for more robust tracking. Consider transaction limits and fees. Be aware of Venmo's transaction limits for business accounts and any associated fees. These can vary, so it's important to familiarize yourself with Venmo's current policies. For larger transactions, you might need to explore alternative invoicing methods. Request payment promptly. Send your payment request as soon as your service is rendered or your product is delivered to ensure timely payment. Follow up professionally. If a payment is overdue, follow up with your client in a polite and professional manner. You can send a friendly reminder through Venmo or via email. Use emojis sparingly. While emojis can add a friendly touch, keep your descriptions professional and avoid excessive use of emojis in business-related requests. Consider integrating with other tools. For more advanced invoicing features, you might consider using a dedicated invoicing software that integrates with Venmo or other payment gateways. This can help automate the invoicing process and provide more comprehensive reporting. Be mindful of security. Always double-check the recipient's information before sending a payment request. Be cautious of any suspicious requests or messages. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.